The best engineers on Earth aren't humans, it's animals. Nature is always testing every hour, every day, for millions of years. If a life form wastes energy or can't survive, that design gets replaced. What's left is a library of truly clever solutions. And now, scientists and engineers are finally learning to borrow them. Let's start with geckos. You might think geckos stick to walls because they use glue, but they don't. Their toes are covered in tiny hairs called setae. And if you zoom in, you'll see every seta splits into hundreds of even smaller tips. These tips are so close to the wall that a gentle force, called van der Waals forces, is strong enough to let the gecko grip, release, and climb without any liquid or sticky mess. Engineers are copying this trick to make brand new adhesives, ones that robots, factories, and even medical devices can use. It's sticky science borrowed straight from a gecko's feet. Now let's swim with sharks. Their skin looks smooth, but under a microscope, it's covered in minuscule grooves called riblets. These riblets line up with the direction of swimming, helping sharks glide through water with less drag. That means sharks burn less energy as they race and hunt. Engineers are now designing surfaces that mimic shark skin riblets. These can help ships, airplanes, or even pipelines move with less resistance, saving energy and resources. It's like getting free efficiency just by borrowing a design from a shark's skin. What about bees? Bees are tiny flying pilots with brains the size of a sesame seed. Yet, they can find their way home by using the sun as a compass. Even on cloudy days, bees can read invisible, polarized patterns of light in the sky to stay oriented. Imagine drones or robots that can travel and navigate without GPS, even when signals are blocked or jammed. By learning from bee navigation, we could build small machines that always know where they are, thanks to hidden clues in the light around them. All of this copying from nature is called biomimicry. It's more than just fun facts. It leads to real inventions in materials, sensors, and robotics. Scientists say new materials inspired by biology will help change how robots, vehicles, and more work, making them smarter and more efficient. So, here's a question for you. If you could pick one animal superpower for technology, which one would you choose? Gecko grip for climbing robots, shark-inspired drag reduction for speedy ships, or bee navigation for clever little drones? In the race to invent, maybe the best solution is already out there in the wild.